A very good day to all parents. We welcome you to today's activity for the Parents as Co-Educators program. The activity for today is Mindful Touch. This activity will help improve the ability of the students to focus through mindfulness and calm their mind. Today's activity can be performed by the student as well as the parent simultaneously, as it is beneficial for both of them. The first step is to sit in a comfortable position. You could sit on a chair or you could sit on the floor cross legged. Next, make sure that your back is straight and your child's back is straight, and place your hands on the knees in front of you or under your belly in the position shown in the presentation. We start this activity with a couple of deep breaths. Post that, breathe normally. You could give a count of 3 for breathing in, pause for a second, and then count down 3, 2, 1 for breathing out. While we do this, our objective is to focus on the breathing and feel the air move in and move out. It is natural that the mind wanders off into various thoughts. We do not try to stop these thoughts, we simply acknowledge them and divert our attention back to the breathing process. This is difficult initially, but with a couple of tries, you would be able to achieve it. Now ask the child to sit in a relaxed position. Next, ask them to hold an object. This could be any object, for example, a pen, a pencil, or an eraser. Next, ask them to take a deep breath as they hold this object. Ask them to focus all their senses on this object as they hold it. As they concentrate on the object, ask them the following questions. What is the design and the structure of the object that they are holding? Is this object cold or is it warm? How do they feel as the object touches them? Now repeat this activity with another object. Perform this activity with at least 3 different objects. And discuss the same questions while the child holds these objects. Once this activity has been completed, discuss the following questions with the students. How do they feel after completing the activity? How were they feeling as they held the object? Were they able to concentrate their attention on the object? If not, what were the reasons? That is all for today's activity. We request you to share a photograph or a video of the child performing this activity. In case of any doubts or suggestions, kindly contact us on the WhatsApp number provided.